The Sahara Desert wasn't always a desert. 6,000 years ago, it was green, full of lakes, rivers, and forests. Scientists call it the African humid period. Between roughly 11,000 and 5,000 years ago, monsoon rains transformed the Sahara into savanna and wetlands. Rock art found deep in the Sahara shows swimming humans, crocodiles, and hippos. Animals that could never survive there today. The shift happened because of a slow wobble in Earth's orbit called precession, which altered how sunlight hit the Sahara and weakened the monsoon. Around 5,000 years ago, the rain stopped almost entirely. Lakes dried up, forests died, and within a few centuries, the green Sahara vanished. The Arabian Peninsula tells a similar story. Ancient riverbeds, now dry, once carried water across what is now Saudi Arabia. Fossilized lake beds in the Nefud Desert have revealed hippo and elephant bones, proving Arabia once had permanent lakes and lush vegetation. It's not just deserts that changed. Beneath the North Sea lies Doggerland, a landmass that once connected Britain to mainland Europe. Fishermen have dragged up mammoth tusks and human tools from the seabed, proof that people once lived, hunted, and walked across this now drowned land. As the last ice age ended, melting glaciers raised sea levels dramatically. Around 8,200 years ago, a massive tsunami helped finish submerging what was left. Even Antarctica wasn't always ice. Fossilized tree roots and pollen prove it was covered in temperate rainforest around 90 million years ago. Scientists drilled ice cores and seabed sediment near Antarctica, finding ancient tree pollen buried deep beneath the ice. During the last ice age, parts of the Amazon rainforest weren't dense jungle at all. They were dry savanna grassland. Cooler, drier global temperatures during the Ice Age reduced rainfall, shrinking the rainforest into isolated green pockets called refugia. Remarkably, the Sahara doesn't just change once, it cycles between green and desert roughly every 20,000 years, driven by that same orbital wobble. Some climate scientists predict the Sahara could begin turning green again in roughly 10,000 years. Following the same ancient rhythm. Throughout Earth's history, sea levels have risen and fallen by over 100 meters, exposing and drowning entire coastlines again and again. In Southeast Asia, a landmass called Sundaland once connected Indonesia's islands into a single continent, home to early humans. Even the center of Australia, now the harsh outback desert, once held massive freshwater lakes teeming with giant prehistoric animals. Fossils of giant wombats and enormous flightless birds found in the dry lake beds confirm this greener, wetter past. Three main forces reshape Earth's map over time. Shifts in Earth's orbit, drifting tectonic plates, and dramatic swings in global temperature. Continents themselves are slowly drifting apart. India was once an island that crashed into Asia, pushing up the Himalayas. If deserts have turned green before, and green lands have drowned or dried up before, Earth's map today is just one snapshot in an endless cycle. The Sahara was once green. Britain was once connected to Europe. Antarctica was once a forest. Which part of today's map do you think will change next?